You know what I hate? That YouTube doesn't have a feature to see what title and thumbnail combinations will look like before you actually publish it. So what did I do? I built an app to compare these in YouTube style mockups to know which ones will perform well before you even publish it. And today I'm taking you through why I built this app, how it works, and how I built it. As a YouTuber, I sometimes go a bit crazy when making up titles and thumbnails. I'll cook up, say, 10 tiles and 3 thumbnail designs with about 7 variations each. I can normally cull those down a fair bit, but it's not often enough because YouTube allows a maximum of 3 combinations to split test. And to decide what thumbnail and title combinations would work best, it makes sense to try and visualize them together in a YouTube-like environment, like what you saw before you clicked on this video. I used an app called thumbsup.tv for this before, but it would only allow one combo at a time, and I'd have to take screenshots, save them, and use split screen to compare them. It was a bit of a headache. So I decided to build this. It took me about 30 minutes of staring at 5 different thumbnail designs, asking Claude over and over with different prompts and countless strategic breaks to think it over. And by the way, if you guys would like me to build a free tool to solve one of your problems, let me know down in the comments and I'll see if I can hook you up. So, how this works, it's basically a Figma and a thumbsup.tv crossover. That's where you can create a new combo, give it a new title, and a thumbnail. And the thumbnail. You can click submit, drag it around, pan and zoom across this whiteboard style view. You can allow direct side-by-side comparisons, and you can even resize to different places across YouTube. You can favorite it, toggle dark and light mode because that often informs my decision too. And if you ever need exact YouTube pixel sizings, realistic YouTube sizings, you can just reset the zoom with this button down in the bottom right corner. I'll put the app link, the Figma designs, and even the public GitHub repository down in the description if you're interested. I did message a few YouTubers asking about what they thought, even if it was a version 1. I did get mostly ghosted, but one of them said the UI was nice, which I really appreciate because I did try to make that better for this one compared to the rest of my apps. But I guess just how it goes, that's how the game works. I'll keep posting videos about stuff I made and hopefully you guys will find one of them useful. Thanks for watching.